Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have a showdown between two fitness machines that are perfect for those who want to stay active at home. On the left, we have the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, and on the right, we have the UREVO Walking Pad. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes in at $369, while the UREVO Walking Pad is priced at $299. Now, I don't know about you, but I love saving some extra cash. So the UREVO Walking Pad takes the lead in this category. Moving on to the motor, the UMAY Fitness Treadmill boasts an improved brushless motor with a max 3.0 HP. It provides efficient, reliable, and low-maintenance operation. On the other hand, the UREVO Walking Pad features a powerful 2.25 HP motor that operates quietly. Now, I don't know about you, but I like my workouts to be both powerful and peaceful. So I'll give this round to the UMAY Fitness Treadmill. Let's talk about some cool features. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill comes with built-in handrail heart sensors to monitor your pulse rate during exercise. It also offers 3 different manual incline positions to simulate running uphill. On the other hand, the UREVO Walking Pad provides a 1540.2 large track with 5 layers of anti-slip belt and 8 silicone shock absorbers. It's like walking on a cloud. In this category, it's a tough call, but I'll give a slight edge to the UREVO Walking Pad for its impressive shock absorption. Now let's talk about portability. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill comes with a hydraulic system that guarantees safe and hands-free unfolding. No more worries about scuffing your floors. It also has transportation wheels for effortless movement and storage. On the other hand, the UREVO Walking Pad is lightweight, has front wheels, and can be placed under the bed or sofa to save space. This one is a tie. Both products offer great portability. Last but not least, let's discuss warranty and customer support. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill offers a 5-year warranty for the frame and a 1-year warranty for parts. Plus, their customer support team is based in California and ready to assist you. On the other hand, the UREVO Walking Pad provides a 1-year warranty and promises high quality after-sales support. It's a close call, but I'll give this round to the UMAY Fitness Treadmill for its extended warranty. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the UREVO Walking Pad in various categories. Both products have their strengths, but it's time to crown a winner. Drum roll based on our comparisons. The UREVO Walking Pad takes the crown for its lower price, impressive shock absorption, and excellent portability. However, if you're looking for a more powerful motor and extended warranty, the UMAY Fitness Treadmill might be the right choice for you. Remember, it's important to consider your personal preferences and needs when making a purchasing decision. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter choice. Stay tuned for more product showdowns on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy shopping!